Hello students, good morning. In chapter 14, that is natural resources, in the morning session we discuss about the carbon cycle. So here in this carbon cycle, as we know that the carbon is present in the structure of the carbohydrates, fats, proteins and nucleic acid. The exoskeleton and endoskeleton, that is in skeleton system of various animals, are also formed from the carbonate salts. Atmosphere is the main reservoir of carbon dioxide and hence it is a gaseous cycle. As we know that the green plant use the carbon dioxide, sunlight and water in the process of photosynthesis and synthesis the carbohydrates, that is glucose molecule. Plant release the oxygen as a byproduct. Carbon is retained to the environment by the respiratory activities of animals. Now the decomposition of dead bodies, it also releases the carbon dioxide back into the environment. One more thing, that is non-biological processes like burning of fossil fuels, burning of wood, burning of coal, okay, it helps in replacing carbon dioxide. Now that the percentage of carbon dioxide become double in the atmosphere because of the industrial revolution, when human beings started burning fossil fuels on very large scale. Now next topic is the greenhouse effect. Now sunlight, that is an atmosphere, envelops the earth. As you know that atmosphere envelops the earth. Sunlight passes through this atmosphere and reaches the surface of the earth. The atmosphere and the surface of the earth, it gets heated due to the sunlight. The rays which get reflected from the surface of the earth have to pass through this atmosphere. The carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere absorb the long wavelength infrared rays and reflect them back towards the earth. And as a result, the earth and its surrounding atmosphere remains warm. So this effect is called the greenhouse effect, and the carbon dioxide gas which induces such an effect is known as the greenhouse gas. Now other gases, that is other greenhouse gases, are also added to the atmosphere, and amongst them, that is the main gases are the methane, nitrous oxide, HFC, CFC, the full form of HFC, that is hydrofluorocarbon, and full form of CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. So these are the other greenhouse gases. Okay, so which are the other greenhouse gases? Methane, nitrous oxide, HFC, that is hydrofluorocarbon, CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, so these are the other greenhouse gases. And an increase in the percentage of such gases in the atmosphere, okay, so that is carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, HFC, CFC, the percentage of such gases increases the temperature, okay, temperature in the atmosphere. It would cause the average temperature to increases worldwide, leading to the global warming.